The Caribbean Foodie Festival is festival of all fests. Yes, yes, yes.
Of course, I'm talking about
Boston's JerkFest. Citizens of the universe, you ask for nothing less but the best. It will be 2 exciting days of live music, fun, food, and more food. On Friday, July 11th, 7 to 10 p.m. VIP, 6 p.m. It's time for the rum and brew tasting, starring the Queen of Soca, Alison Hines. Also featuring Tempo International Steel Orchestra, music by DJ DiCasso, DJ Q Major, and DJ Warlock. So remember, on July 11th, it's the rum and brew tasting. For this one, you must be 21 or older to attend. So go and go tell your friends and your family then. The next day, July 12th, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. It is the Family Fun Day. All are invited. Even the liquor picnic them get excited. Kids Culture Zone, Chef's Cook-Off Showdown. So come and enjoy the food while the legendary Third World Band perform live music and get you in a groove. Also featuring Junior Toots. Of course, yours truly, Amaziah the Great, the Jamaican Poet. Tell them precisely. Roots Alley, Poetic Lever, DJ Smooth, DJ Diamond Dale, DJ Nomadic. I'm telling you no lies, this is gonna be an exciting vibe.
So come and experience authentic Caribbean cuisine, music, and togetherness.
Location to be. It's all happening at Harvard Athletic Complex, Boston, Massachusetts. Go and get your tickets now on Eventbrite or BostonJerkFest.com. Big up all of the sponsors them. Cambridge, Massachusetts. Mount Gay Barbados Rum, Heat 981 FM, Spark FM, Tropical Food Supermarket, Rum Barb and Court, The Williams Agency, Cambridge Carnival, North American Marine Alliance, The Word Boston, Jamaica Tourist Board, Meet Boston, Sustainable Food and Culture Inc. Live videos and photos by Great Amazement Multimedia Entertainment LLC. Nobody miss this. Tell them precisely.